Best Small Standing Desk. Are you looking for the best small standing desk? In this video we will look at 5 of the best small standing desk on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The small standing desk adjustable height is a versatile, portable workstation ideal for those looking to balance sitting and standing throughout their day. This 32-inch desk offers a practical size that fits well in compact spaces, making it suitable for home offices, apartments, or shared work environments. The adjustable height feature allows users to easily switch between sitting and standing positions, which can help improve posture, reduce back strain, and boost energy levels during long work hours. Equipped with wheels, this desk is designed for mobility. Users can effortlessly move it around the room or house, offering flexibility in work location. The wheels have lockable casters to ensure stability when stationary, so it remains secure when in use, even if placed on different types of flooring. The desk's compact size is suitable for holding a laptop, small desktop, or other necessary work items. It can support essential items without taking up much space, and its weight is manageable for most users. The desk surface is durable and easy to clean, which is particularly convenient for users who enjoy having coffee, snacks, or other items nearby while working. This standing desk's minimalist design, typically offered in a clean white color, fits a variety of decor styles, making it a stylish addition to any room. Constructed with lightweight materials, it is both stable and easy to transport, which is beneficial for users who may want to store it or reposition it frequently. In summary, this adjustable height desk is a practical and cost-effective solution for those seeking a flexible and mobile workspace. Its rolling design, small footprint, and sturdy build make it ideal for a wide range of uses, from professional work tasks to casual use at home. Whether used as a laptop desk, a small computer desk, or a standing table, it offers the convenience of an adjustable height feature and mobility with its wheels, catering to the needs of users looking for adaptability in their workspace. Number 2. The KLSMYHOKI standing desk is a versatile, mobile desk designed for flexible use in home or office settings. It features an adjustable height ranging from 27 to 43.5 inches, allowing users to seamlessly transition between sitting and standing positions, which can help reduce fatigue, improve posture, and promote a healthier work environment. With a compact 16-inch by 31.5-inch tabletop, it provides a spacious yet manageable surface area, ideal for supporting a laptop, small computer, or other essential work tools without taking up too much space. Equipped with 4 sturdy wheels, this desk offers excellent mobility, allowing users to move it easily across rooms or even different parts of the house. The wheels include lockable casters to secure the desk in place once positioned, ensuring stability during use, even on various floor surfaces. This feature makes it a practical choice for those who need to adjust their workspace frequently or share it across multiple users or locations. The desk's clean, white surface is not only visually appealing but also complements a range of interior styles, from modern to minimalist. The white finish gives it a sleek, contemporary look, making it a stylish addition to any home office, bedroom, or shared workspace. The surface is easy to clean and maintain, which is helpful for those who like to keep beverages or snacks nearby while working. The KLSMYHOKI desk's construction is both lightweight and durable, providing a stable surface without being too heavy to move. Its adjustable height makes it suitable for a variety of users and activities, from working on a laptop to drawing or crafting. This adaptability enhances its functionality for individuals who need a flexible, compact workstation. In summary, the KLSMYHOKI adjustable height standing desk is a practical, stylish solution for those seeking mobility and adaptability in a small workspace. With an easy-to-move design, lockable wheels, and a height-adjustable feature, this desk caters to both sitting and standing preferences, supporting ergonomic needs in various environments. It's an excellent choice for users looking for a compact, mobile desk with modern appeal and user-friendly functionality. Number 3. The 90 degrees flip rolling desk is a highly functional and adaptable workstation designed for versatility in various environments, including homes, offices, schools, and hospitals. This rolling laptop desk stands out for its adjustable height, which can be set between 28.35 and 46.06 inches, allowing users to alternate between sitting and standing positions to promote ergonomic comfort and reduce strain from prolonged sitting. This height range also accommodates users of different heights, making it suitable for multiple users in shared spaces. A key feature of this desk is its 90 degrees flip capability, which allows the desktop to rotate and fold when not in use. This compact design makes it ideal for small spaces, as it can be easily stored against a wall or tucked away when not needed. With a 31.5-inch tabletop, the desk provides sufficient space for a laptop, notepad, and other essential items without taking up too much room, making it an ideal solution for areas with limited workspace. The desk is equipped with lockable wheels, enabling smooth mobility across different rooms or spaces and providing flexibility for those who may need to move it frequently. The lockable casters keep the desk stable and secure once in place, ensuring it doesn't shift during use, even on different flooring types. This mobility feature is especially useful in dynamic environments like hospitals or schools, where flexibility in workspace arrangement is often required. Crafted with a sleek black finish, the desk is both stylish and functional, blending well with various interior aesthetics. The surface is durable and easy to clean, making it low maintenance and ideal for users who work or study in shared environments. In summary, the 90 degrees flip rolling desk is a portable and adaptable option for those seeking a mobile workstation that saves space without compromising functionality. Its adjustable height and foldable design make it convenient for varied use in homes, offices, and institutions. With lockable wheels and a durable black finish, it offers both mobility and stability, catering to users who need a versatile desk that can be easily moved or stored when not in use. Number 4. The BONTEC Mobile Standing Desk with Keyboard Tray is a versatile and ergonomic solution designed for use in various spaces, including the living room, bedroom, or office. This mobile workstation supports up to 33 pounds, making it suitable for laptops, tablets, or lightweight desktop monitors. Its adjustable height feature allows users to seamlessly switch between sitting and standing positions, promoting a healthier work style by reducing the physical strain that can come from prolonged sitting. This desk is equipped with a spacious main desktop and an additional keyboard tray, providing dedicated space for both a laptop and an external keyboard, enhancing productivity for users who require multiple devices or prefer a more organized setup. The keyboard tray is positioned at an ergonomic height to ensure comfortable typing whether the desk is being used in a seated or standing position. Built with mobility in mind, the BONTEC desk features lockable wheels that allow users to easily move it from room to room or reposition it within a space. The locking casters ensure that the desk stays stable and secure once it's set in place, providing a solid surface for work without the risk of it rolling or shifting unexpectedly. This mobility is especially useful in multifunctional rooms or for those who need to move between different areas during the day. The desk's compact design allows it to fit in tight spaces, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or offices with limited square footage. Its modern and minimalist look complements various interior styles, blending well in professional and home environments. Additionally, the desk's materials are durable and easy to clean, ensuring it maintains its appearance over time with minimal maintenance. In summary, the BONTEC Mobile Standing Desk with Keyboard Tray is a functional and adaptable workstation for those seeking flexibility in their work setup. Its height adjustability, mobile design, and additional keyboard tray make it suitable for a range of tasks and environments. With its stable, lockable wheels and compact design, it provides a practical solution for users needing a portable and ergonomic workspace that fits comfortably in small spaces. Number 5. The VERSADESK Standing Desk Converter, 36-inch Power Pro, is a high-quality electric height-adjustable desk riser designed to transform any traditional desk into a sit-stand workstation. With a 36-inch wide work surface, this desk converter offers ample space for multiple monitors, laptops, or additional work essentials. Capable of holding up to 80 pounds, it's sturdy enough to support heavier equipment, making it suitable for a broad range of office setups and professional needs. One of the key features of this desk converter is its electric lift mechanism, which enables smooth, effortless height adjustments with the push of a button. Unlike manual risers, this electric system allows users to find their ideal height quickly and quietly, reducing strain and promoting comfort by enabling an easy switch between sitting and standing positions. The desk riser adjusts in height with precision, making it adaptable for users of different heights and preferred working styles. This model also includes a convenient keyboard tray positioned below the main desktop surface, which keeps the keyboard at an ergonomic level and provides additional space for other devices or documents. The tray's design ensures a comfortable typing position, minimizing wrist and shoulder strain during extended use. Another notable feature is the built-in USB charging port, which adds extra convenience by allowing users to keep their devices powered without needing additional outlets. This is particularly useful for keeping phones, tablets, or other USB-powered devices charged and within easy reach. The desk converter's white finish offers a clean, modern look that fits well in professional office settings or home workspaces. Its compact, yet spacious design allows it to be placed on most desks without taking up too much space, and the sturdy build ensures durability and stability during use. In summary, the VERSADESK standing desk converter is a premium option for those seeking an electric, height-adjustable desk riser. With a robust 80-pound weight capacity, built-in USB charging, and ergonomic keyboard tray, it offers convenience, comfort, and functionality. This desk converter is an ideal solution for users looking to enhance their productivity and maintain a healthier work posture, all while enjoying a sleek, contemporary design suitable for any workspace.